Tigon. A tigon results from a male tiger breeding with a female lion, the reverse of a liger. Unlike ligers that grow massive, tigons are actually smaller than both parent species, usually weighing between 300 to 400 pounds. They have a golden coat with tiger stripes that are more prominent than on ligers, plus some lions develop small manes. From their tiger father, they inherit powerful hunting instincts and love of water. From their lion mother, they get a more relaxed social nature. Tigons are extremely rare, with only about 50 individuals existing in zoos worldwide, primarily in China and the United States. Female tigons can sometimes reproduce, unlike their male counterparts who are always sterile. Remarkably, tigons are more agile climbers than ligers due to their smaller size. Geep. The Geep is an exceptionally rare hybrid between a goat and a sheep. This crossbreeding almost never happens naturally because goats and sheep have different mating seasons and behaviors. Geeps typically have a sheep's woolly body combined with a goat's facial features and horns. They inherit mixed traits, the goat's climbing ability and curiosity, plus the sheep's calmer grazing habits. What makes Geeps scientifically fascinating is that they are often chimeras, meaning their cells are a mixture rather than a true blend. Most Geeps are sterile and face developmental challenges. There are fewer than 30 documented cases worldwide, mostly in research facilities. Interestingly, Geeps often exhibit personality traits that confuse farmers. They are too independent for sheep flocks but too social for goat. Zonkey. The Zonkey, also called a zedonk, is a hybrid between a zebra and a donkey. These animals are intentionally bred on farms and in wildlife parks for their unique appearance. Zonkeys typically have a donkey's body shape and size, but with distinctive zebra stripes, usually on their legs, rear, and sometimes across their back. They inherit the donkey's incredible strength and stubborn personality combined with the zebra's wild instincts and alertness. Because zebras have 44 chromosomes and donkeys have 62, zonkeys have 53 and are completely sterile. There are an estimated 200 to 300 zonkeys worldwide, mainly in Mexico, the United States, and parts of Africa. What's surprising is that zonkeys are often more difficult to train than donkeys because they retain the zebra's naturally defensive and untrusting nature. Coydog. A coydog is the offspring of a coyote and a domestic dog. Unlike coy wolves, coydogs are less common and face unique challenges. They inherit unpredictable temperaments. Some are friendly like dogs, while others are extremely skittish like coyotes. Coydogs typically have pointed ears, bushy tails, and lean builds. The major issue is timing. Female coyotes only enter heat once per year in winter, while female dogs cycle twice annually. This makes natural breeding window very narrow. There are an estimated 5,000 to 10,000 coydogs in North America, though exact numbers are difficult to determine. Many experts discourage breeding coydogs because they often make poor pets, being too wild for domestic life but too dependent for wilderness survival. Interestingly, coydogs are fertile and can reproduce with either parent species. Yakalo. The Yakalo is a rare hybrid between a yak and an American bison, also called a buffalo. This experimental cross was developed in the 1920s by researchers attempting to create a hardy livestock animal. Yakalos are massive, often weighing over 2,000 pounds, with the yak's long shaggy hair and the bison's characteristic shoulder hump. They're incredibly cold-resistant and can survive in temperatures below -40 degrees. From the yak, they inherit high-altitude tolerance and milk production. From the bison, they get exceptional meat quality and disease resistance. Today, there are fewer than 100 yakalos, found primarily on specialized ranches in Montana and Alberta. What's remarkable is that yakalos are fertile, which is unusual for such genetically distant parent species. They produce rich milk and lean meat while thriving in extreme climates.